Hello, pre-K through second grade friends. I am here to talk to y'all about a lesson I call Rocky Rails. And so this is about solving problems and if it's a big or a small problem. So let's see what we can do. Okay, so Rocky Rails. It's a beautiful day and the Feelings train is getting ready to head out for its morning coal deliveries. There it goes. Another train took the Feelings train's favorite coal car. Should he call the conductor? Nope. This is a little deal. The Feelings train can get another coal car and move on with his day. The Feelings train is enjoying a nice ride through the town. There's a rain cloud ahead. Will the Feelings train let this ruin his day? What do you guys think? No way. A little rain is a little deal. He can still enjoy the day. Maybe there will even be some puddles to splash in along the rails. He chugs along as he passes a field of flowers. Uh-oh, is that a bee? The Feelings train is allergic to bees. If he is stung by a bee, he will need to take his medication. Is this a big deal? What do you guys think? Shake your head no or yes. What do you think? Definitely. It's dangerous for the Feelings train to be around bees. He chugs faster and faster to get away from the bees. When he is far enough away from the bees, the Feeling train takes a moment to control his breathing. That was a big deal, and he felt stressed while he got away from the bee. Let's take a deep breath. Ready? Good job, guys. Sometimes things are a little deal. The Feelings train can move on with his day, but sometimes things are a big deal, and he needs help to get away. A little deal is something you can handle on your own. Sometimes you can even ignore something that's a little deal. You can solve it yourself. It might be an accident, or you can even ignore it. When something is a little deal, you might feel sad, annoyed, or disappointed, but you can move on and keep doing what you need to do. A big deal is a bigger problem. Someone might be hurt or in danger. You might have already tried to solve the problem or might need help from an adult. So look, someone might be hurt. You've already tried to solve it yourself and you need help from an adult. When something is a big deal, you might feel angry, terrified, overwhelmed, or devastated. You might need time to calm down alone or with help. So look at all of those feelings. Give me a thumbs up if you've ever felt those ways before. Yep, that happens sometimes. You can handle little deals. You don't have to let your little deals derail your day. Remember, if you have a big deal problem, it's okay to ask for help. While you chug through your day, stop and think, is this a little deal or a big deal? Don't let the little deals derail your day. So remember, last lesson we talked about body safety and keeping your private areas to yourself. Remember, that's a big deal. If someone makes you feel unsafe, that is a big, big deal, right? So let's keep going. Whoa, look how cool that is. Okay, here we go. Big deal or little deal? Let's see, you guys. Let's play a game. So I want you to listen to the situation, think about it. Is this a big deal or is this a little deal? And walk to the big deal side of the deal side or the little deal side to show what you think. So instead of walking we're just going to play a little game. You're going to stand up if it's a big deal, and you're going to sit down if it's a little deal. So you're going to listen to the situation, think about it. Is this a big deal or is this a little deal? And you're going to stand up if you think it is a big deal, and you're going to sit down if you think it's a little deal. So I'm going to lift my arms up instead of standing so you guys can still see me, and I'm going to put my arms down to show what I think. But I'm going to see what you guys think first. Okay, so here we go. Miles didn't get to the center he wanted. Is that a big deal or a little deal? Let me see what you guys pick. I'm going to give you 5 seconds. Give me a thumbs up if you chose little deal and you're sitting. Good job, you guys. That is let's see what it says, little deal. All right, here's another one. Someone pushed Miranda down on the playground and her knee is bleeding. Is that a big deal where you're going to stand up, or a little deal where you're going to sit down? I'm going to give you 5 seconds to decide. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Give me a thumbs up if you are standing. Good job, you guys. That is a big deal. Remember, if somebody's hurt, that's a big deal. Let's see. Yes. All right. Here's another one. Big deal or a little deal? Kyla didn't get to be partners with her best friend. Is that a big deal or a little deal? I'm going to give you 5 seconds to decide. Let's see. Little deal. Give me a thumbs up if you're sitting. Good job. All right. Bryson didn't get the spot he wanted during art class. Is that a big deal or a little deal? Remember to stand if you think it's a big deal and to sit if you think it's a little deal. So let's see. Good job. Give me a thumbs up if you thought it was a little deal and you're sitting. Very good. Okay, here we go. Here's another one. Olivia feels like she is going to throw up. Is that a big deal or is that a little deal? So remember, stand if you think it's a big deal, sit if you think it's a little deal. I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's see. A big deal. Give me a thumbs up if you're standing. Yes, if somebody is going to be sick, that is a big deal. All right, here's another one. Big deal or little deal? Camden didn't get to the game piece he wanted. Stand up if you think it's a big deal. Sit down if you think it's a little deal. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's see. Little deal. Give me a thumbs up if you thought it was a little deal. Very good. Okay, here's another one. Big deal or little deal? Greta is looking at Holly and Holly feels annoyed. Is that a big deal or a little deal? What do you think? Okay, I'm going to give you 5 seconds to stand or sit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, let's see what it says. Little deal. Give me a thumbs up if you are sitting down. Awesome. All right, here is big deal or little deal. Landon just found out his grandmother is really sick. Is that a big deal or is that a little deal? I'm going to give you a chance to stand or sit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, this is a tough one. Let's see what it says, and I'm going to explain why. If you are standing, give me a thumbs up. It's a big deal because this affects how he feels and his emotions. Okay, and so my job as a school counselor is to help talk through emotions. And when somebody's family member is sick and doesn't feel well, that is a big deal. We want to make sure and support our friend in our class and make sure they're okay. Okay, here's another one. Big deal or little deal? Tyler and Lacey told Victor there wasn't enough room for him to play too. Big deal or little deal? Sit or stand in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sit down or stand. Let's see what you guys picked. Little deal. Give me a thumbs up if you are sitting. Good job. All right. Big deal or little deal? John lost the game. Big deal or little deal? Stand or sit in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's see. Little deal. If you are sitting, give me a thumbs up. All right, here's another one. Big deal or little deal? Peter is taking things from Lucy's lunch. She asked him to stop several times, but he keeps doing it. Is that a big deal or a little deal? Stand or sit in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's see. It's a big deal, guys. Anything that involves food, we need food to survive. And we also, especially with being safe at school and not sharing germs or anything like that, we cannot share food or take food from others. That is a big deal, you know, and we want to be as safe as we can. So give me a thumbs up if you were standing. Good job. All right, big deal or little deal? Taylor cut in line. Big deal or little deal? I'm going to give you 5 seconds to sit or stand. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right, let's see. Little deal. Give me a thumbs up if you were sitting. So I bet by now you guys can tell that the little deals all have to do with things that we want. We might want to not be cut in line. We might not want a friend to look at us strange. We might not want to have that partner or have a different partner, but those are all little deals, right? Those are things that we can solve on our own, but the person who got her food stolen and the kiddo who is injured, those are needs. They need help now, okay? And from an adult. So those are the differences. All right, here's another one. Big deal or little deal? Isla poked Bianca. Big deal or little deal? Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's see what you guys picked. Little deal. If you're sitting, give me a thumbs up. Okay, here's another one. Javon sees lightning while his class is on the playground. Okay, what do you guys think? I'm going to give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So if you are standing, give me a thumbs up. That's a big deal, guys, because of the weather. You know, we want to be safe and careful. If it involves safety, it's always a big deal. So it's always important to make sure that the weather is safe. Okay, Michael isn't following the rules in the cafeteria. Big deal or little deal? Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's check. If you're sitting, give me a thumbs up. It's really unsafe to not follow the rules in the cafeteria, but we can try to ask them to stop, right? Okay, here's another one. Big deal or little deal? Mr. Roman called on Kai, but Henry really wanted to answer. That's a good one. Sometimes we get upset if we don't get called on right away. So is that a big deal or a little deal? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's see. Give me a thumbs up if you're sitting. Good job. Okay, here's another one. Mia's dog is missing from home. Is that a big deal or a little deal? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's see. Big deal, right? You know, if a family member or a pet is missing, that makes us really sad and she needs adult help to find it. Okay, let's see. We're going to do one more. Big deal or little deal? Garrett bumped into Hannah in the hallway. Big deal or little deal? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's check. Little deal, right? That is a little deal. We want to make sure that we don't bump into friends, but it's something that you could say, please stop, right? All right, now we're going to listen to a story to finish our lesson.
Big problems and small problems. Sometimes things can happen at school that make you feel upset. It can be hard to know what to do. You have to be a problem detective. A problem detective must first figure out the size of the problem. Some problems are big, and some problems are small. It is a big problem if there is danger, someone is hurt, someone is sick, people are fighting, things are getting destroyed, or someone is being teased. When you detect a big problem, you should ask an adult for help right away. It is a small problem if you can solve it by yourself, it was an accident, you are okay, and you are not in any danger. When you detect a small problem, you can stay calm and solve the problem by yourself. Things you can do to solve small problems. Ignore it. Walk away and do something else. Go to your calming spot and use a calming strategy. Share and take turns. Talk it over. Or say, "Stop it, please." No matter which strategy you choose to solve a small problem, it is important to stay calm. Don't give up if the first strategy doesn't work. You may have to try more than one strategy. Being a problem detective is a very important job. You can do it.
All right, good job, you guys.
The end.